So welcome back guys. In this video I will be discussing about the insert function of the StringBuffer class. So first of all, if you notice that I have not given any parameter in the constructor of StringBuffer, so we have created a StringBuffer object called str and we have not given any value to it. Now what if I say str equals to say car, so it must store the car string inside str. Well, it will throw an error because car text is a string object, whereas str is a string buffer object, and therefore we cannot store a string object in a string buffer object, and hence it will throw an error. Now therefore what can we do to actually store the car text in str? Well, we can use str dot insert and give the first parameter as the index location where we want to store the car text. So if I give 0 over here, means the text always starts with 0, the string always starts from 0. So start from 0 and store the text car in this str object. So if I print it out, str object, it should produce the car text. Okay, now what if I change it to 2 or 5? Then it must store the car text at the location of at the index position 5 of the str object. Well, it should do that, but before we do this, we have to set the length of the string, because the length of str string buffer object is actually set at 0, and at 0 if we try to store the text car from 5 location, it will throw an error. To show it that it will throw an error, let me show you what it will throw. As you can see, it shows exception in thread main java.lang.string index out of bounds exception for offset 5 and length is 0. So length is 0, right? So to set the length, we have to call the function called str.setLength. Now if we say that the length of the str object say is 10, right? And now if I compile it and run it, you will find that there will be 5 spaces in the front, and after 5 spaces you will find the car text printed out. Okay, as you can see, there are some 5 spaces in the front, 1 2 3 4 5, and the car text after that. So this is how the insert function actually works. Now instead of having a string being inserted, we can also insert char array, we can also insert a double value, we can also insert any integer value. So it's up to you what you want to insert in the StringBuffer class. So that was the tutorial for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and in the next video I will share more methods of the StringBuffer class. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.